Welcome back with us here at Live 5 News on this Thursday evening. It might feel pleasant right now, at least compared to what we felt recently, but just wait for it. Cold air is on the way after midnight tonight. Early Friday morning will be a chilly one. And after our warm up today, we do have a cold weather advisory across some spots in the low country. If you're wondering what that is, just be prepared for some chilly temperatures, possibly in the 20s as we start off the day, and those wind chills, maybe even into the teens in some spots. So similar to a few mornings throughout the week, it is going to be cold. You want a layer ready to go, or a few layers if you need it, especially for the kids heading out to the bus stop, getting them ready for school early tomorrow morning. It will be a cold start. Looking live outside though, like I mentioned, feeling semi-decent at the moment. Not bad at all. The cold air behind this front has not settled in yet. And today was actually a very average day for this time of the year. Yesterday, day before in the 40s, we were way below average. But today, right on par, 66 degrees for our high temperature. Should be around 65, so we'll take that. Low temperature this morning at the airport in North Charleston, 43 degrees exactly on the dollar there. You can see we're at 43 for our average. Thankfully, not quite close to our record highs or lows, but like I said, we're getting cold again as we head into the overnight hours. We are dry. This is a dry cold front. It is going to pack a punch with temperatures, but it's just going to really be a dry front. Not much moisture associated with this. You can see the bulk of the rainfall left behind from this rainmaker here is down to our south, moving over parts of Florida tonight. So we will stay rain-free as the front approaches the area, but the cold, very difficult to dodge the cold from a front like this. You can see that Canadian air just moving south, even into the southeast here already. This map looking very similar to just a few nights ago when we fell back into the 20s for most of the areas. So get ready for it now. If you typically have to maybe leak some faucets to help things not freeze, bring in the pets, check on the neighbors, all of that. You want to do that this evening. Current temperatures across the area, we're still in the 50s. This is not bad at all compared to this time yesterday. We are so much warmer here. 14 degrees warmer in Goose Creek, the same in Walterboro, a 13-degree increase over on Johns Island. So you might be thinking, it's nice outside compared to past nights. So why is this cool down happening once again? It's all thanks to that Canadian air. For tonight, eventually feeling the cool down. Like I said, most likely after midnight. Early tomorrow morning, looking at our morning lows in the 20s for most of the area, maybe a little bit higher in the low 30s closer to the coastline. Either way, it is going to be a chilly night for us. Once again, have that heavier jacket ready to go. When you factor in a little bit of a breeze that's possible tomorrow morning, these are our wind chills. This is 6 a.m. tomorrow. Most of us feeling like we're in the 20s, and that will continue even through 9 a.m. in the morning. Once again, bundle up. Look at these temperatures. Once again, these are wind chill factors here through the afternoon. This is 2 o'clock, typically our warmest time of the day. 40s, low 40s at that, even 30s in some spots. So just not warming up all that much. Even tomorrow night, staying cool as well. Cold actually into early Saturday morning, 24 degrees. We could see another cold weather advisory from the National Weather Service through Saturday morning, so keep that in mind. But eventually warming back up. You can see Monday morning, we're back in the 40s. That's similar to what we felt this morning. And those morning lows in the middle of next week, not bad in the 50s. Temperatures tomorrow, though, like I said, wind chills staying in the upper 30s to low 40s. Those are our max wind chills for tomorrow. So definitely a chilly day. Also, actual temperatures staying in the 40s. So similar to just a few days ago when we did not get out of that 40-degree range. 7-day forecast. Eventually starting to warm up, like we mentioned, with our highs and our lows. 54 on Saturday. At least we're staying dry for the weekend, so if you have some outdoor plans, maybe some decorating still to do, you can do that. 64 actually warmer on Sunday. In the 70s next week. Finally, some much needed rainfall on the way. A few showers to start off the week, and then temperatures will indeed cool back down by Thursday.